Hey, what's going on, kids? Just about ready for the first start here on this Ford Mustang. Finally, it's been a long time. 66 289. About to fire it up and see what happens. I already cranked it over for a little bit, got a little oil flow, pumped some fuel up into the filter here. Hopefully, it filled up the carburetor. I drained the gas tank out because the fuel in this thing was like orange and old. It's probably at least a year old. So I drained the fuel out of it, just dumped it into the 8.1 Chevy. That thing will burn anything. And then put some fresh fuel in it. So nice, clean, clear gas. There was probably a little bit left in the line, maybe. I don't know. It looks a little yellow still in the filter there. I probably should have pumped it through and then hooked the carburetor up. I didn't do that, so it's going to be a little bit of nasty gas in the carburetor, but hopefully it's not a problem. So like I said, cranked it over a little bit, got some fuel, little oil flow, got my timing light set up. Right now I got it set to go to 10 degrees advance. Not too concerned about timing. I just want to make sure that I can fire it and we don't knock the rods out of it breaking it in. Plus it doubles up as a nice tachometer too here, so I can switch it over and it'll read RPM. And so that's about it. So I'm gonna crank it over and hit the throttle, squirt a little bit of gas into it, and then we'll see what happens. Hopefully it starts up without any problem. Jesus. I don't know what the hell that is, but it doesn't sound good. Something's been hitting somewhere. Sounds like. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we got it outside running the brake in. We're smoking the shop out. But that noise was a starter hanging up, so we got a starter coming for it in the morning. Got it running out here right now, probably about 15 minutes or so. Smoking out the shop, so I brought it outside. About 25 degrees of timing in it right now. So I think we're about done. Get it running. Good oil pressure.